A very good morning to all. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss about adjectives. Its learning objective is learn to use of adjectives to make writing more attractive. Adjectives. What are adjectives? These are the words that describe or modify or add meaning to other words. So adjectives basically are the words that give more information about nouns. They are usually placed before the noun or pronoun. So we can say the adjectives are the words which describe something or which describe nouns or pronouns. And these are also called describing words. As you can see in the picture, a bird, there is no adjective. Yellow bird, it's giving us more information about the bird, its color. Green bird, a blue bird. There are some types of adjectives. Number. A number of adjective gives information about how many of the noun, like several, five, many, few. In opinion, adjectives tells or explains what you think about something. Maybe it's silly, beautiful, horrible, difficult, interesting, or stupid. These adjectives also tell us about the size, how big or small something is. Large, tiny, enormous, little, big, thin. It describes age. It tells you how young or old something or someone is. Like in examples, there are few examples: ancient, new, young, old, modern. Adjectives also tell us the shape of something. Like you can see in example square, round, flat, rectangular. Color. A color adjective, of course, describes the color of something, like blue, pink, reddish, gray, white, green, what, etc. Origin. An origin adjective describes where something comes from. French, lunar, American, Eastern, Greek, beach. A material adjective describes what something is made from. Wooden, metal, cotton, paper, plastic. A purpose adjective also describes what something is used for. These adjectives often end with ing, like you can see sleeping as in sleeping bag, roasting as in roasting thin. So adjectives give answer of two basic questions: how many and what kind. It answers how many, like in the example, one sad little girl was in our class. In this example, one is giving the answer of how many. Or if we see in the example of what kind, one sad little girl was in our class. So sad little is giving the answer of what kind of girl. One sad little. Let's practice. Can you find the adjectives and nouns they describe? Robert had 4 books on his shelf. 4 describes noun books. The scary ghost was not smiling. Scary describes. Does it mean looked into the clear ball? Clear describes the noun ball. Class, there is an activity for you. You can say the classwork. You are supposed to write 6 sentences in your notebook, and you will underline the adjectives in each sentence. Then write the noun the adjective describes on the line. Like, I'm going to solve the first example. Caroline cleaned her dirty room. So dirty is adjective here and it describing room. So dirty describing room. Okay. Likewise, you will do all the examples in your notebook. I will give you 5 minutes to complete this task. Then after this, we will move on to the next slide. I hope you have done this work in your language notebook. Let's move to the next slide. Now, this is your homework. You have to do, or you're supposed to do, question number 1 of FGB, page number 27 in language notebook. You're supposed to write the noun from which each of these adjectives comes. The first one has been done for you, like in girlish, it comes from girl. Childish, it's come from child. Okay, class, this is all from my side. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.